Hi, this is Courtney Toyama with Toyama's Thrifty Trinkets. I just wanted to do a quick tutorial video on how I'm doing gift boxes for Christmas. Let me back you up just a little bit. Now these are for all of the ladies on my, who have a husband on my husband's crew. So I have a bunch here. I'm going to make 15 of them. So this is a good way to package and gift give. So I started with, I went on Canva. You can get an app for your Android. I'm not sure if it's available on Apple or not. But I made a little card and I printed these out. This one says, I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, but if the wine runs out, I'll drink the red. And I included, I know how hard it is when they are away. I know a present doesn't make up for all the time, but it sure is nice. From one Oilfield wife to another, Merry Christmas. So I have that. I have these boxes, which if you are a paparazzi consultant, you can get them in the back office. And I did identical necklaces. We'll twist it up from the shipping here. And then, of course, I included my business card in all of them. So, I'm going to point it down here for assembly. Give me 1 second. Okay. So, I take the boxes and I pre-assemble them. And because they have a little bit of a poof when you assemble them, I just put a little strip of clear tape across the bottom. And then I take the necklaces and I take off the first wrapper. They come in this wrapper like this whenever you get them in directly from Paparazzi. So I took it out of that wrapper. This is the classiest red necklace for those of you who are curious. And of course I slide the necklace down in first. Not quite the whole way, but I slip that down in. And then my business card, and then I take my little letter, which of course, as I said, I printed this out, then cut out around it real nice and used a piece of cardstock and secured it to the cardstock, so it makes it a little sturdier, makes it look a little bit more like there was extra effort put in. You can see a little bit of the glue marks. I used a school glue. It's best to use a stick glue for this, but they still turned out really cute. So I take, and this is a book. This is actually my husband's book for his PS4, I believe. Some sort of game system or something. I put it about halfway up. Ooh. Try to hold on to it with your hands and make a crease. Now I use this part of my hand to keep the weight and the pressure, and my fingers to make the crease. Once you have your line, it's really simple. Now I never fold these completely in half, and I'll tell you why. Because, oh, I don't have an example one, but if you take and you fold it directly in half, even this plastic, you can see you get like these puckers here, and you don't want to pucker in something you're going to be giving as a gift. So I just give it a little bit of a wave there, and as you see, there's no pucker. Then I take the box, and of course I hold on to the tags. Anything that you're stuffing down in a vertical box like this that you don't want to slide the whole way to the bottom, you want to securely hold it at the top. And then you just kind of wiggle it a little so you're still holding on, and you have this in, and just give it a little tap. And then once you have it down in there, feel free to finish sliding in your jewelry and then close it on up. Could not be simpler. Of course, it's going to make a little bit of a liar out of me. Sometimes you gotta shift it a little. And then I just take another piece of clear tape. See the pucker? This is the pucker. You don't want your business card sliding out of it, even if it is a gift. So just another clear piece of tape. So there you have it. A nice simple project, especially if you are a consultant. Like I said, this is for my Oilfield family because us as wives, our men are always gone. I have my paparazzi to keep me busy and all 4 of my kids. But this right here is a nice little Christmas gift. Thank you. You could do this for anybody at an office. You could do this for the kids as school teachers. I will be doing something similar for the kids as school teachers using lanyards. So I welcome everybody to use this idea or improve on it. And you can always let me know in the comments. If you would like some information on becoming a consultant or would like my list on the things to know before you become a consultant, feel free to fill out the Google form down below and I will send you that information directly to your email. So that's all for this time. Thank you, and hopefully you'll see me again soon.